Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to prepare bar chart. In previous session, we learned how to prepare column chart. A bar chart is nothing a sideways bar. Looks like horizontal bars lying flat. Why we are using this? When you want to compare items but the names are long, or you want to clearer sideways view. Let's take a small example. You surveyed parents about the most preferred activity for kids. So I have a small table here and we have done the voting. So parents had voted against each activity, drawing 40 votes, dance 35 votes, storytelling 50 votes, outdoor games 60 votes. So let me prepare a small bar chart. First step, select the table, go to insert menu, go to this icon. Now select the bar. Now you see the voting patterns. A bar chart shows a long horizontal bars. You see, long horizontal bars. The longest bar equal to most preferred activity. See, outdoor game activity is 60. Parents had voted. So this is a long voted bar. Why we are going to use this? Great for long text labels. Easier to read when you have many categories. Thank you.